Steve, ikaw ang kapalit ng lahat na nawala sa akin. Let me give you my heart. Let me give you my whole life. Because when you love unconditionally.
Wow! Unconditional love? Hindi ba dapat binibigay mo yan sa anak mo? Dahil ganyan dapat magmahal ng isang magulang.
Melanie.
No, Chris, no.
Melanie, don't embarrass yourself here. Please move.
I want to hear what she has to say.
What's going on pa?
Anak ako ni Georgina. Iniwan niya ako sa daddy ko. Pinabayaan. Tinalikuran. At nung nalaman niya na ako ang anak niya, ginawa niya lahat ng paraan para matanggal ako sa kumpanya.
I need a background check. Georgina De Silva. I need all the information you can get about her before the wedding.
Naiintindihan ko na ngayon kung bakit gusto mo akong mawala sa buhay mo. Ginawa mo na rin to sa akin noon. Ako ang anak mo na tinalikuran mo. Ako ang anak mo na hindi mo kinilala. Ang ganda ng singsing niyo. Saan niyo po nabili?
Nabili? Hindi. Sa anak ko ito, si Abel. Tatay ni Melanie.
Iniwan mo ako kay Papa? Pero hindi ko maintindihan. Bakit? May kasalanan ba si Papa sa'yo? Siya mahal, okay lang. Pero bakit pati ako? Bakit pati ako tinalikuran mo?
I have to find a way to get rid of her. Again.
At alam mo kung ano higit doon? Bakit nung nalaman mo kung sino ako, dinurog-durog mo pa ako? Bakit? Hindi ka ba talaga nagsisisi? Wala ka bang konsensya? Anong klaseng tao ka? Wala ka ba talagang puso? Alam ko na. Natatakot ka na kapag nalaman nilang lahat kung ano ang tunay mong pagkatao, mawala ang lahat na meron ka ngayon.
Stop. Please. Enough with your lies. Enough!
No, Georgina. Enough with your lies. Enough. Melanie is telling the truth. I hired a private investigator to do a background check on her. When I got nothing, I thought Melanie was telling a lie again. Then I received this document just now.
No, that's not true.
Georgina gave birth at New Life Medical Clinic, April 12, 1991, to a baby girl. Is that your birthday, Melanie?
Stop! Stop! No, that's not true. That's not... Tito, no, that's not true. Please do not believe her.
Should we ask you to undergo DNA maternity test? Is that what you want?
Why are you doing this?
Georgina, come on.
What are you doing?
The least you can do is save whatever is left of your dignity. Admit the truth, Georgina. Come on!
Ayokong mawala lahat ng pinaghirapan ko. Wait. Mahalaga sa akin. Gusto kong marating. Wait.
Please.
Wait.
What?
Wait, Steve! Wait. Steve, that's not true. Steve, please.
What?
Steve.
Daddy!
Please don't leave me. Please don't leave, Steve. Please, Steve. No! Steve! Please don't leave me. Please don't leave, Steve.
Daddy!
Chelsea! Chelsea!
Steve!
Abe!